In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add on Clash Royale. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up the Clash Royale app on your device. And don't worry, this is going to work whether you're playing on an iPhone, an Android, or really any other device. But once the game does load for you, you're going to be in the main screen where you can access battles, cards, or really any other menu on this. But essentially, if you're on the main battle screen right here, you need to click on the little people icon that's right next to the little news icon. As soon as you tap that, it's going to open up the Friends menu. Inside the Friends tab, tap the Add Friends option, just like so. And then from here, you can copy your invite link by hitting Share Link and send it to any of your friends. Or you can also just have them scan this QR code with their device's camera or even the QR code scanner in Clash Royale as well, which is going to be this option that says scan code. Select that, obviously, if you're trying to scan someone else's code. And of course, as soon as you do that and they, either open up that link or scan their QR code, they'll be able to add you as a friend. You can also add people through Supercell ID. To do this, hit the three lines up at the very top, hit Supercell ID, friends, and then of course this little plus icon, just like so, where you're going to see a QR code, scan a QR code, and of course another, player ID option where you can just type in their name. But it really is as simple as that. That is, you can add friends here in Clash Royale or just add on Clash Royale in general. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.